Hi everyone, today is Father's Day, 16 June 2024, and I was down in the studio yesterday and I realized that the anniversary of my channel was today, and I decided to sneak down here as I did 4 years ago on 16 June 2020 to record my first video in my first studio. So I decided to come down and do that again today, reintroduce the channel, and to give you an update on what's been going on in the last 2 years. But before I do that, I want to say thank you to those who have continued to subscribe to the channel, and welcome the new subscribers and some future subscribers who come across this video. Although I haven't posted very much in the last 2 years, and I'm just so thankful to everyone who has continued to support the channel. Here we go. Hi everyone, my name is Steve and I want to welcome you to SCO Art Glass channel. The goal of this channel is to help others discover, learn, and create stained glass artwork. I hope to do this through showing you the beauty of stained glass, sharing the tips, tricks, and techniques that I have learned over the years, and encourage you to create your own stained glass artwork. I have been creating stained glass for over 6 years, and I am completely self-taught, as many of you are doing from YouTube. After my first project, I was hooked on this medium. I enjoy experimenting with different ideas and methods in stained glass. So I have a lot of ideas and I hope to share those with you on this channel. Many may fail, but hey, what's life without experimenting and testing your ideas?
Back to the lab again. Oh no, back to the lab again.
So what happened over the last couple of years that caused this 2-year hiatus was a job opportunity in Japan. I had just completed the renovation in my house when this opportunity to work in Japan came about. We decided to go ahead and sell the house, pack up our stuff, and move to Japan. I posted a few videos with all the intentions to continue posting, but work and life just kind of took over and limited my time, what I wanted to do and continue to do, which was stained glass. When I got to Japan, I set up my studio, but then work and the travel took over and I couldn't continue up with the pace of posting videos. I did share some of my travels on my Instagram account. You can check that out below. And I posted some videos with some of that travel at the end of those videos. I will leave links to those videos below. And if you want me to continue to share these adventures, please leave comments below. Anyone that has packed up a studio knows there's pains with it. I'm working on the video of the setup of this studio and some other projects that I had done that I have never shown on the channel. Some other content that I'm planning is to share some videos of me experimenting in self-teaching myself the leaded method, doing some live streaming on some projects that I'm working on, and maybe look at some artist spotlight content. If you like the planned content or have some suggestions on what you would like to see on the channel, please leave that in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And once I get established back in the community where I live, the project should pick up and hopefully I will be able to share some of that content with you. And I'll probably look at doing this probably more live streaming because editing just takes up way too much of my time. You'll be able to see the mistakes that I make, the frustration I sometimes have in this art form, but it will give just a better chance of just interacting with you during the live stream. I hope you continue to support the channel, share the content with others that may like this type of content. And for those who have bought me a coffee, I greatly appreciate it. But you can continue supporting the channel through Buy Me a Coffee link below. You can reach out through the Discord channel where I'm planning to use this platform to hold some impromptu discussions on stained glass or anything else the community wants to talk about. Thanks for watching, take care, and be sure to check out the other content on the channel and the videos coming up on your screen.